We are at Cook Dam, Consumers Energy Cook Dam. Here are the leaders and the reigning champs. Steve Lashowa in the stern, Andy Treebold in the bow. They're looking strong. Crowd is giving them a nice hand.
Let's go, Steve! Let's go, Steve! Let's go, Steve!
You can see the effects of being up all night, followed by 3 large cups of coffee this morning. If somebody wants to come hold the screen steady for me, they are welcome to. And there they go, and I understand at the last timing spot they may have had a lead of about 18 minutes, I think. Maybe even gaining on that. And I think they're on a pace for about a 14-hour, 30-minute marathon.